Hi everyone, I hope you're well. In this recipe I'll be sharing how I make this simple and delicious jam coconut cake. The great thing is I'll only be using one bowl in this recipe, so you won't be left with loads of dishes to wash afterwards. You can find the full list of ingredients I've used in the description box below. Make sure to click the subscribe button to see more of my videos, and let's get started. Begin by adding your butter into a glass bowl and melting this in a microwave for about 30 seconds. Add your sugar and mix these two ingredients well. Next, crack your eggs one by one and once again mix it together. Gently add your flour into the bowl and use a fork or a spatula to gently mix the flour into the batter. Doing this prevents a big cloud of flour going everywhere, which isn't very fun to clean up afterwards. Once you have a smooth consistency to your batter, add a dash of milk. Lastly, you want to flavour your sponge. Here I am adding vanilla essence. You can replace this with coconut essence if you prefer. Once this is added to the bowl, we're going to give it one last whisk. The consistency of your batter should look similar to this. Line a baking tray with a baking sheet and gently pour the batter. Spread it out as evenly as you can so the cake bakes well all over. Place the tray in a preheated oven and bake on 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the cake is baked, leave it to cool. Next, use a high quality jam to spread on top. You can use any berry jam of your choice. I'm using raspberry jam because it has a slight zing to it which complements the vanilla sponge really well. Once you spread your jam, sprinkle desiccated coconut all over. It's up to you how much you like sprinkle. Some people like a little, some people like a lot. I personally like it somewhere in between. Cut your bake into squares and that's it, it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Head over to my channel where you can find more easy and tasty recipes that I've posted. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Follow me on Instagram and you can tag me on any of my recipes that you try. Until next time, take care, bye!